All right, so we're on to our third section of the video review here. So question 4, fill in each blank in the chart below. So this is kind of going back into our old material. So first 5 terms of the sequence, is it arithmetic or geometric? It's only giving me one of these columns. So explicit equation, recursive equation. So I know that if I look at this right here, this is going to be a linear equation. This is arithmetic, right? Because it's adding every time, right? So it's arithmetic because it's in our linear form, right? So this would be like t of 0 plus n times d. So the common difference would be d. So my recursive equation, if t of 0 is 3 and the difference is 5, then the first number would have been 8. Plus d, right? And the d is 5. First 5 terms of the sequence, I know the first number is 8, and then it adds 5 every time. So 13, 18, 23, 28, and then we keep going. Okay, second row here, recursive equation is given to me. So this tells me, right, it's multiplying by 3 every time. So that would be geometric. T of 1 is 15. So to fill out my sequence, I know it starts with 15. And then each time it multiplies by 3. So 45 times 3 would be 135. And then times 3 again would be, what, 390 and 15. So 405. And the next one would be 1215. That one got kind of big on us. And the explicit equation, I know my explicit equation is going to be t of n equals t of 0 times r to the n. So each time is multiplying by 3. So if I go back over here, right, this is my first term, second term, third term, the 0 term, I would divide by 3, which would make this 5. So t of n would be 5 times 3 to the n. The last one actually gives me the sequence and asks me to fill in the rest. So 3 to 9, 9 to 27, 27 to 81. These are all multiplying by 3. That's geometric when it multiplies. Explicit equation. I see the explicit equation right here. I need t of 0. So that would be the number that comes before the 3. So if I'm multiplying by 3 to the right, I divide by 3 this way. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So it would be 1 times multiplying by 3 to the n. And then, oops, I forgot the recursive equation. So the recursive equation, t of 1 equals, I see t of 1 is 3. And the next term is the current term times 3. So that part's actually the same right here and here.